Okay, so 2 cups of peroxide. Yeah, carefully. This is the cream.
Wait, to the top line?
Yeah, to the top line. We're using the cream because they didn't have any liquid. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and now pour it carefully into the container. Yep. Just spoon a little bit. A little slower, a little slower. Keep it going. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so you're going to add some dish soap to it.
Good.
A little more. One more little bit like that. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Okay, so now what we got to do is you got to mix up the soap and the peroxide a little bit. Just swirl it. Swirl it. Swirl it. Swirl it good. Swirl it good. Swirl, 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 swirl. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Go ahead. 2 tablespoons of yeast into the measuring cup. You got to put the cup in the sink first, so you don't make a mess. Yeah. Okay, that's good. See, you're gonna make a mess. Just 2 yeah, 2, 1, 2, go. Okay, that's good. Put the lid back on the yeast so it doesn't get spilled or make a mess. It's okay.
I suck at that.
Okay, now run the hot water really slowly in the back. No, slower. Yeah, that's it. Good. Okay, I'm gonna go 3 tablespoons of water. Go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn the water off. Now go ahead and take it out of the sink and stir it up good. Take it out of the sink. Stir it up good. Keep going, keep going. Okay, so we added a little bit more water and just keep stirring until it's nice and creamy. Okay, so what's going to happen is the peroxide is full of oxygen. And when you added the bubbles to it, now you've got a means to trap the oxygen when you release it with the yeast. So you're going to pour the yeast in, give it a little swirl because it's a cream. If it was a liquid, it would happen very quickly, but the cream has to be mixed. So you're going to pour it in, a little swirl. And what happens is the yeast releases the oxygen very quickly, and then the bubbles trap that oxygen, so it's going to foam up. Okay, go ahead and do it. Pour it in. Yep. Pour it fast. Pour it fast. Pour it fast. Okay. Give it a swirl. And then put it down. Swirl, swirl, swirl harder. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Swirl. Swirl, swirl, swirl. There you go. There it goes. And what's happening is it's an exothermic reaction. You can see it's putting out a little bit of heat. As the oxygen's being released very quickly, it generates heat, so it's steaming a little bit. But it's not hot. Go ahead and you can put your finger in a little bit, Tyson. You feel it a little bit warm, but it doesn't hurt.
It's not hot.
And those bubbles are basically pure oxygen. You didn't swirl it up quite enough. If you take it and you swirl it good, it should go. There it goes. See what's happening? Look at it go. There's a few things happening there. It's changing from a liquid to a gas and generating heat.
Oh, it smells.
That's the yeast you smell. I'm pretty sure there's probably more in there if we give it another shake. Oh yeah, it's warm, eh? Oh no, it's almost empty. It's almost empty, yeah. Good job. A little bit more coming out. Oh, Tyson.
You got it all over me.
Okay, you can go ahead and stop it there.